Welcome to this 10-minute resistance band workout targeting your back and arms. Grab your band and let's get started. If you're like me and you have a really long band, you're going to want to double it up and place those hands inside of the band. You're going to lift your arms up and then pull them back down with that back pull. We're going to keep this going, and then after 30 seconds, we're going to do a front and a back pull. Getting on our hands and knees for this move, we're going to wrap the band around that hand that is on the floor, and then we're going to pull that band up and then back, forward and back, keeping a good pace. And then after 30 seconds, we'll switch to the other side. We're going to keep our band long for this move. Standing on it, we're going to pull those arms back into neutral rows, engaging that core as we do this move. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to wide rows and then keep those neutral rows. We're going to keep this going. Doubling up our band again, we're going to grip that band with both hands and we're going to pull those arms back. Shoulder blades coming close together as you pull back, engaging that core. You should definitely feel this in your arms. We're going to keep those hands inside of the band And we're going to pull the band in, pulling our arms in, drawing in that core as we go. After 30 seconds, we're going to add a pull up with that band to this move. Get ready for the switch. We're going to keep our band long for this move, stepping on the bottom of the band. We're going to put our arms in supine position where those palms are facing out, pulling that band back into a supine row. We're going to keep this going, engaging our core. After 30 seconds, we're going to add an upright row to this move. We're going to be seated on the mat for this move. We are going to have our band at the bottom of our toes, wrapping our hands around the rest of the band, pulling it in to a seated row. This is going to be great for those arms, for those back muscles. After 30 seconds, we are going to hold that band forward for as long as we can. Y'all, we got this. Let's have our hands inside of the band here. Our arms are going to be up and over our head. We're going to pull our right arm down as far as it can go, engaging those arm and back muscles, keeping a steady pace. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to the other side. All right, y'all, we have made it to the last exercise of the workout. We're going to have that foot on, just 1 foot on the band, 1 foot off the band in a lunge position. And we are going to do rapid rows here as fast as we can, holding that lunge position, engaging that core, engaging those upper body muscles. After 30 seconds, we're going to switch to the other side. Great job, everyone. If you really want to feel the burn and push your arms and back just a bit further, hit replay and do this workout just one more time. Your strength and results will thank you. In the mood for another workout? Well, I got you covered. There's an amazing option below to keep the workout going. Please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future workouts. Thanks so much for working out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.